Valve just announced the Steam Deck, which basically is a gaming PC in a Switch body and is capable of doing so much more than any other handheld console currently out there. It's big, has a unique layout, and is packing enough power to handle all the latest titles without having any issues. So without further ado, let's jump into a detailed breakdown of Valve's upcoming Steam Deck. In an instance, the device would strike you as quite big compared to the current popular handheld consoles like the Nintendo Switch. It features inline thumbstick controls with the D-pad, which is indeed unique and also has higher practicality. Talking about uniqueness, the precision trackpad located underneath the thumbstick gives you access to mouse control to conveniently play games that require a cursor. On the back of the console, we get to see 4 grip buttons in addition to the trigger buttons, which are pretty similar to the Pro-style Xbox controller, such as the Xbox Elite. These buttons are completely customizable, all thanks to the Steam input for a personalized user experience. The fan exhausts are located at the top and rear of the device for an effective cooling solution. The device itself weighs about 670 grams, which honestly is one chunky of a device. As for the 7-inch screen, it has a native resolution of 1280 by 800p at 60Hz, is fully touch-enabled, and comes with a gyroscope in order to allow for motion controls. In our opinion, a 720p screen is perfect for a handheld console as it drains less battery and provides you with that extra bit of gameplay. Steam Deck is running Valve's custom version of SteamOS labeled as SteamOS 3.0, which is an Arc-based Linux system. Although the system gives off a console-like vibe, it actually is a full-blown PC. Besides, you can install any operating system on it, including Windows if you feel like it. Under the hood, this portable PC is powered by AMD's RDNA Zen 2 APU, having both reliable processing and graphical power. Besides, it brings along 16 gigs of LPDDR5 memory, making us wonder how Valve is putting so much on a device at this price range. For storage, this device has 3 options. You can either get the standard version with 64GB of eMMC memory at a reduced price tag or go for the much larger ones with 256GB or 512GB of NVMe SSD if faster boot time is what you are prioritizing. You also have the option to stick up a microSD card to meet your storage demands. Moving on, for the battery, this one is housing a 41-hour battery that Valve claims will last for about 2 to 8 hours of gameplay depending on the games that you will be playing on it. Wireless connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.0 and dual-band Wi-Fi with MIMO technology for pairing up your wireless peripherals and experiencing stable wireless internet. It also happens to include a multi-purpose USB-C port that can be used to juice up the device, plug in any peripherals, or just pair it up with a secondary device such as your laptop or PC. Of course, you can also plug in a USB-C hub and expand your connectivity options even further. Surprisingly, Steam Deck also has a headphone jack located at the top, which really is a nice gesture from Valve, whereas most devices are just excluding them. Although all 3 versions of Steam Deck come with a carrying case, the most expensive one will come with an exclusive case and an anti-glare screen. Valve has also announced an official dock for the Steam Deck that will grant you additional connectivity options, including an HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, Ethernet, and 3 USB ports. By utilizing these ports, you can turn the device into a fully functioning PC. However, the dock will be sold separately as an accessory. The base model having 64GB of storage will be up for grabs at only $399, while the 256GB will cost about $529 and the 512GB about $649. Reservation has already begun with a cost of only $5, and Valve will start shipping Steam Deck in early December of this year. And that is pretty much about Valve's upcoming Steam Deck. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment down below to let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this one.